Hey everyone, if your Windows 10 PC keeps insisting that it needs to update but you keep getting errors like this, here's a solution that's never failed me yet. Go to your favorite browser, search for Windows Update Assistant download. It should be the first result, should look something like this, not like this. Click on it and you should see this page right here. If you don't, go back and double check that search result. In the first paragraph, you should see the words download the update assistant. Click on that and you get this page right here. There's a little blue button there that says update now. That's actually a download button. Click on that and save your file to a spot where you're going to find it. Or if your browser automatically downloads files, check your downloads folder. Now, just run that file and you're going to see something like this. Just click on update now and keep clicking next if it asks you. And that's it. Your Windows will update. At the very least, it's never failed me. Incidentally, if you ever need to make a bootable USB key to install Windows, there's a link just below that download link that we use. It says download tool now. Just click that and follow the instructions to make your installation USB. Also, I'm assuming the same thing works on Windows 11 as well, but I can't confirm that as I'm not running 11. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.